Everyone, I'm the Archangel Daniel and I'm from heaven. So I'm just going to speak a little bit today about how God was created. It's a mystery to many as to how our Creator God was created. So I'm going to explain this in a scientific manner in layman's terms so that people can grasp the idea and concept of the reality that God is real and how God was created and how from there angels and humankind were created. So, firstly, dimension. A dimension of this universe features the galaxies in the center, and it's inside a dimensional wall which God created, which is sphere-shaped. When we look at black holes, they are wormholes into other dimensions, which are the fuel dimensions of the former star. We'll get into that in another video. So for now, we'll describe how God was created. There's another dimension, much larger than this one. This universe is like a grain of sand in the Pacific Ocean in comparison. In this other dimension, there are asteroids that are quite large, consisting of elements that do not exist in this dimension. Two of those elements are gravity element, which produces gravity, and wormhole element, which produces wormholes. One day, a cluster of asteroids was pulled together by a single fragment of gravity element. This gravity field pulled the asteroids together, forming a naturally sealed chamber, which was sphere in shape on the inside. After the collision, the wormhole element reacted to the presence of the gravity element because of its proximity, and this produced air inside the chamber and filled it with air. Then another reaction occurred, producing wormhole exit points with soul material that knitted together. It spun and knitted together in a clockwise cycle. Once completed, it then filled with the body of a man. The gravity element fragment, which is tiny, was inside his skull. This man then cried out, "God, God," and he kept saying it. And that is how God was created. I am the Archangel Daniel, and I am from heaven.